First, open PowerPoint. When it starts, you'll see options like blank presentation or ready-made templates. Click blank presentation to start fresh. Go to the Home tab and click New Slide. You can also pick layouts like Title plus Content or To Content. Add as many as you need. Click inside the placeholder to add your text. Go to Insert, then Pictures, and pick a photo from your files. You can resize and move it wherever you want. Want your slides to look great? Go to the Design tab and pick a theme. You can also customize fonts and colors. Ready for smooth changes? Go to Transitions and pick effects like Fade or Push. Don't forget to save. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and let me know what you want to learn next. See you soon!